theater and we will
Yes.
and this theater was constructed in 2nd century BC.
Ah, 2nd century BC.
Yeah, it has two construction periods.
Yes.
In 2nd century BC, it was constructed by the Greek people
Yes.
with the Greek architecture style. But in 2nd century AD, after Jesus, there
Yes.
was a big earthquake here.
Ah, okay.
And because of that earthquake, the theater fully destroyed.
Oh.
But the Roman Empire came here, conquered the city, and they reconstructed it.
Yes.
So it has two construction periods. But
Yes.
the Roman Empire constructed the theaters with the Roman architecture style.
Yes.
So we can say about this theater, it has mixed style.
Yes.
Greco-Roman architecture style.
Yes.
It was constructed for 3,500 people.
Yes.
From bottom to the up, it has 17 sitting range
Yes.
stairs.
Yes.
And the upper part of the theater was constructed to protect the people from the bad weather.
Yes.
You can see some iron cage there. It's not old, it's new. It was constructed by the Turkish government
Yes.
to protect the people not go inside the
Yes.
rooms. It's dangerous.
Yes.
And on the left side of the theater, you can see a bed construction, Roman bed.
Yes.
The down part of the floor of the bed construction was closed by the bricks
Yes.
to make the room more hotter.
Ah, yes. I
Yes,
see.
but it's forbidden to go inside it
Yes.
and dangerous. This is the Roman bed.
Yes.
It was constructed by the Roman people. Other side of this cave, the archaeologists will work to find something more now. And something more.
Yes.
The main entrance of the theater is here, the gate of the theater.
Ah.
But inside here and there are two tunnels.
Yes.
During the Roman Empire time, they gave big importance to the place like gladiator fight, visual shows, and wild animal fighting.
Ah, okay.
The gladiators were coming from that two tunnels to inside the
Yes.
cavea, auditorium, and scam building.
Yes.
They were coming inside the cavea and fighting.
Yes.
And in front of the first stairs, there was a protecting places.
Yes.
It would protect the people from the wild animals and from the gladiators.
Yes.
And here is the scam building. Under the scam building, there were some small rooms
Yes.
to close the wild animals inside. During
Yes.
the fighting, they were releasing the wild animals inside, and the wild animals were fighting here.
Yes, I see.
And from the way construction and from the earthquakes in the 2nd century, this scam building fully destroyed.
Yes.
Now you can see just cavea and the auditorium.
I see. Very nice.
Limyra, the name of the city,
Yes.
was the capital city of the Lycia in 4th century BC, and one of the important places.
Yes, I see.
And I want to tell, in Lycia, it says Lycia, there were 23 cities.
Yes.
They were coming together and making a union, like USA,
Ah.
like in the cantonal system.
Yes.
In 2 times in a year, they were making a meeting, and in that meeting, they were making decision by the like a budget, money problems, and
Yes.
war and peace, this
Yes.
kind of problems.
I see.
And Limyra was the capital city of the Lycia in 4th century BC.
I see.